Hi there, welcome back to JD's Dashcam. Today I have the AKEEYO Eyes Bionic AI Dashcam. But stay tuned to the end because I'll be showing you some additional driving footage. The dual front lens is equipped with two advanced lenses that work together like human eye, but distribute the workload across two lenses. One lens is a telephoto lens and the other is a wide-angle lens. The telephoto lens will shoot out 150 feet with a 41-degree visual angle, giving you long-range vision, quickly capturing distant information and enough time to take action. The 135 wide-angle lens provides you with a broad view of the road and enhances sensitivity for improved low-light performance. The dual front lens system can record a wider view of the road, surroundings, and events leading up to and during an accident. For instance, if another vehicle runs a red light and swerves into your lane and collides with you, the dual lens will likely capture the full sequence of events. This evidence will have clear and detailed footage from multiple angles, giving you a successful insurance claim to avoid legal battles. The rear camera has a 154-degree wide-angle lens that displays a wide field of view, minimizing blind spots, and helps drivers have situational awareness of their surroundings from vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists. The front dashcam records at a 2K at 2160p resolution at 30 frames per second with a Sony IMX 675 5-megapixel sensor. The high resolutions ensure clear video quality to capture details such as license plate numbers and road signs and other vehicles. The rear camera also records at 2K at 2160p resolution at 30 frames per second. With the Sony IMX 335 5-megapixel sensor, the rear camera is IP67 waterproof and dustproof to withstand rainy weathers or rough roads. It can capture rear-end collisions and dangerous situations. The AKEEYO Eyes Dashcam has HDR and WDR technology with a Sony Starvis sensor to provide better image quality during the day and night. The technology improves video clarity and balancing exposure in challenging lighting conditions. It also prevents whiteouts and blackouts and brightens up dark areas, backlit areas, street lights, and tunnel entrances and exits when driving at night. The dashcam has a 3.99-inch LCD touchscreen, which provides a clear display for viewing your driving footage, receiving alerts from the ADAS system, and accessing the settings and the ADAS configurations. From the LCD screen, you can select from 6 display views. Here's an example from switching the displays. Now all you got to do is get your finger and swipe left to right. Now we have the main screen as the front camera, telephoto lens, rear camera, telephoto lens, front, rear camera, rear, front, and telephoto lens. You have the wide angle lens, telephoto lens, and the rear camera. And we're back to the starting. The dashcam can easily be adjusted by moving your dashcam forward or backwards to get the right angle you need. The rear camera can easily be adjusted to get the right view of the road. When you install the rear camera inside the vehicle, you can select a setting and how the rear camera is installed. You can select a setting for inside the vehicle with a light tint or inside the vehicle with a dark tint. Or you can set the settings to outside the vehicle for outside rear camera installation. The dashcam will then record and automatically adjust due to the installation. The dashcam also has 2 buttons on the side of the dashcam. Let me show you what those buttons can do. If you see something on the road and you want to save the file, all you have to do is touch the button on the left and it'll lock that current video right there. You see the lock symbol on there. Now if you want to turn off the screen, all you got to do is just press this button and the screen comes off, and it still has the date and time, the recording status, and the miles per hour on there. Now let's talk about the ADAS features. The Bionic AI Dashcam utilizes Advanced Driver Assistance System, also known as ADAS. These features are designed to assist you in navigating roads safely by providing real-time alerts and interventions that can help you to prevent accidents. You can also adjust the sensitivity to low, middle, or high to meet your driving needs. The higher you set the sensitivity, the more alerts you will receive. Let's go over the front AI ADAS features. Front car starting, also known as FCS, is when the car in front of you starts moving and you'll be alerted by voice and by the display. A critical ADAS function is Forward Collision Warning, also known as FCW. This system monitors your car distance from the vehicle in front of you. If the dashcam detects you're approaching another vehicle too quickly, it will alert you to brake or to take action. Pedestrian detection is a vital ADAS feature built into the AKEEYO Eyes dashcam. The dashcam can identify pedestrians crossing the road or walking near your vehicle. If a pedestrian is detected in your path, the system alerts you, giving you time to brake in time to avoid an incident. Pedestrian detection is helpful when driving through neighborhoods, passing by schools, crosswalks, and other areas where pedestrian traffic is common. One of the core ADAS features is Lane Departure Warning, also known as LDW. The LDW feature monitors your vehicle position within the lane by using dashcam front-facing camera to detect lane markings. If your vehicle begins to drift out of its lane, the system will issue an audio alert and visual alert, warning you to steer back into your lane. This feature is useful on highways or long-distance trips, where driver fatigue or distractions that can lead to unintentional lane changes. LDW alerts you and helps prevent side collisions when you unintentionally move into another lane, especially at high speeds. Now let's go over the rear AI ADAS. One of the rear ADAS is blind spot detection, also known as BSD. The system alerts you when it detects obstacles in your rearview vehicle, also the back left of your vehicle and the back right of your vehicle when changing lanes or backing up. The red bar will appear on the display and sound warning you in the direction of the obstacle. Let me show you some examples. Rear of the vehicle alert.
Watch out for the rear car. Watch out for the rear car.
Back left of the vehicle alert. Back right of the vehicle alert.
Watch out for the rear car.
Rear collision warning, which works like forward collision warning, will also monitor your car distance from the vehicle behind you. If the dashcam detects a car is approaching your vehicle too quickly, it will alert you to take action. The rear collision warning feature will also warn you of vehicles and pedestrians while backing up. This is a great tool to help you avoid rear-end collisions with distracted drivers. Another feature the Eyes AI dashcam has is driver fatigue monitoring. If the dashcam detects lane swerving, sudden braking, or reduced reaction time, it issues an alert recommending a brake. And it can also help you avoid accidents caused by drowsy driving. You can set this to 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours. The time intervals are for you to set when you want to take a break from driving. When the set time is reached, an alert is sounded and the icon flashes on the LCD screen. This is also helpful for road trips with multiple drivers. If you're going to switch drivers every 2 hours, set the timer for 2 hours and then switch drivers when alerted. The AKEEYO Eyes dashcam comes with G-sensor. When the G-sensor detects a collision or shake, such as speed bumps, potholes, or hard braking, an emergency recording will automatically start on all 3 cameras before and after the impact is detected. This will ensure the evidence footage is protected as a locked file and cannot be overridden by loop recording. You can set the collision sensitivity to off, low, mid, or high. The Bionic AI dashcam supports loop recording, which means that when the storage capacity of the SD card is full, the oldest footage is automatically overridden and will start recording a new video. This ensures the dashcam continually records without manually deleting old files. You can select the loop recording setting to 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute increments. The maximum SD card is 256 gigabytes and requires a high-speed U3 memory card. The larger the SD card, the more emergency files you can save without compromising loop recording. And I'll put links in the description for the recommended SD cards. Then we have parking mode. To take advantage of parking mode, the HARDWIRE monitoring constant power cable will need to be hardwired into your fuse box, allowing it to operate in parking mode even when the car engine is off. One of the AKEEYO's parking mode is G sensor. The G sensor is designed to monitor the car's surroundings, and if the G sensor detects an impact or shake, such as someone hitting your car or attempting to break in, the dashcam automatically starts recording, and the recording can be saved as evidence in a case of damage or theft. Then there is time-lapse parking mode. Once you turn off your car, the dashcam will switch to time-lapse parking mode. The dashcam will continue to have power and will record continuously until you turn on your vehicle. When you review your footage, it will look like it's in fast forward, but you will still be able to capture details. You can set the time-lapse parking mode to 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, or 24 hours. The number of recording frames will be changed to 1 frame per second, allowing long-term recordings for up to 24 hours. Time-lapse mode is recommended when parking for long periods, reducing power consumption, and recording space from your SD card. The dashcam is equipped with GPS. You don't have to purchase this separately like other dashcam. The GPS function collects location and speed data. With the GPS, you can use a dashcam player to view driving routes obtained from your GPS. When you open your micro SD card containing the recorded files, you will find the software dashcam player inside. The AI dashcam has built-in high-speed 5G Wi-Fi, allowing you to connect to the AKEEYO app with your iOS or Android smartphone. With the AKEEYO app, you can adjust the settings, view recorded footage, and download videos directly to your smartphone for easy sharing and see the live view footage from the dashcam. Another feature is voice control. This is a hand-free feature. You can give simple voice commands to control key functions. Here is an example of the voice commands. Close screen. Open screen. Open Wi-Fi. Close Wi-Fi. Open ADAS. Close ADAS. Close BSD. Open BSD. Lock video. If your vehicle does not have a backup camera, you can use this dashcam as a backup camera. All you need to do is install the red wire to reverse lights. I'll have a step-by-step video in the description if you need help installing the red wire to reverse lights. When reversing, the dashcam will turn on the rear camera with grid lines to help you reverse into those tight spots. Now that we reviewed the features, let me show you some additional driving footage. Alright, so what did you think? Is this the right dashcam for you? If it is, I'll put links in the description down below. If this video was helpful for you, please like this video because it really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and select all notifications for all upcoming videos. I got more videos of this dashcam coming soon. I also have step-by-step dashcam installations, step-by-step hardwire kits installations, and other tech gadgets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe!